Are you paying attention to the details of your business? I'm not gonna say where I'm at, but I wanna show you this. It's driving me crazy. Can you see that line on the wall? That is where apparently they repaired the wall and they stopped painting halfway down the damn wall for some reason. I noticed it as I'm talking to these guys. It's driving me crazy. How many customers have seen that and they wonder, what else haven't you taken care of? What else isn't clean here? Is the kitchen clean? Are things sanitary? Those are little things that will creep into consumers' minds if you're not paying attention. I tell you, the other thing got my attention are those water spots. That's an easy fix, but a lot of businesses get wrapped up in running their business and not fixing little things. I can promise you, consumers notice it, and it creates an impact on your brand that you don't want. That's all I got. Welcome back to playing video games. I'll see you later.